Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna doing Burberry's design style nail. First, I'm going to apply the color Butterscotch. Don't forget to cut the free edge. And I'm going to apply Bronze Goddess on the thumbs and cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply my second coat. And finally, the second coat of the Bronze Goddess on the thumb. This color is from the glitter collection, and look how shiny it is. And 30 seconds onto the LED lamp. To do this Burberry design, I'm gonna use Snow White, Serious Black and Devilish, and Neo Nails Detail Brush 003. And I'm gonna start with the white. I'm going to draw a line, not in the middle, a little bit on the side of the nail. And flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to do my second line to make like a cross. And flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna draw some very thin line with the black. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm gonna draw a thin line between those two. And flash cure. We're going to do the same on the horizontal. And flash cure, again a thin line just in the middle. And flash cure. And we're going to finish this nail with the red color. And you have to do a very big line. Use a brush with long hair. It's easier to work with and to make the design. And flash cure, and we're going to do the same on the index finger. And now I can't resist to add some glitter, and I'm using the gel polish 24 karat on the pinky, and with the ombre brush I'm gonna drag the product to make like an ombre fade. And I'm going to do the same on the middle nail. And now we're going to cure for 30 seconds. To seal the design, I'm gonna apply the Urban Graffiti top coat. And a final cure for 60 seconds. I'm gonna apply pink pineapple cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used are in the description box down below. You can change the color, make it with blue, with gray, whatever you want. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And until next time, au revoir!